Beard hair transplant is very risky in COVID era because in beard hair transplant we have to work in very close contact with patient's respiratory system. We have to work very near to patient's oral cavity and nasal cavity, and when patient exhale, the flow of air is directly over our nose and our mouth. So beard hair transplant is very risky procedure in COVID era. I have a nitrous oxide sedation machine from Matrix company USA, and the mask of that machine fits with patient's nose in such a way that there is no leakage of air from that mask. So I put that mask on patient's nose and I started oxygen supply. There is one inflow and one outflow. When patient exhale, the outflow is from one tube, and the another end of that tube we kept outside our operation theater. Apply a tap on patient's mouth. I told the patient that whenever you have any problem or you feel pain, then raise your hand. Instead of speaking, raise your hand. That's why I applied a tap on patient's mouth. I put a mask on patient's nose. Inflow outflow is there, so I made a closed circuit during beard hair transplant. This is a pure oxygen, so it is very comfortable to the patient to keep mask on the nose and to keep his mouth shut down. And today I did my first beard hair transplant. I extract 1200 grafts with this system. It took around 1 hour time, but patient was very comfortable during this 1 hour. Regarding sterilization, there is on one end there is a flow of oxygen with very high pressure, so we need not to worry about that. On another way, there is one tube for exhaled hair, so we have to sterile mask and that tube. Mask is autoclavable, we can autoclave it, and tube we can clean it with sodium hypochlorite solution. And for more safety, you can use that tube again only after 3 days, as corona remains on plastic surface only for 3 days. So it is very safe to use in another patient after 3 days.